Hello, I am Maite González Gil, Managing Director of PowerAxel. PowerAxel is a PR agency in Spain. We are the member for Ibrex network in Spain, and we are delighted to introduce myself and my company. PowerAxel has 18 years experience, and we have the opportunity to work for the most of the sectors. One of them was the energy, water, petrochemical and chemistry. And for example, we work for Repsol as prevention and crisis management, for GE, General Electric, in administration relationship with the local mayors, for BPOA in the case of media relationship, and with FEICE. FEICE is the Federation of Trade Chemistries Companies, and for them we made a press cabinet. We manage a very wide range of communication tools as corporate marketing, B2B, B2C communication, internal communication, crisis, events, and editorial and online communication.